up, guys? We're out here at the compound at Etard's place, testing out the new track. NacohDads showed up to deliver a lawnmower, and he's got his mini bike out here, and it is nasty. Check this out. It's got as much power as the KLX. NacohDad picking it up. This mini bike's got full suspension, way more power than you need on a mini bike. I say give him about 5 more minutes. He'll have it in full send on the jumps because he's getting a little more rowdy every minute. Getting there. There we go.
I want to move this swing.
Here's Bub's vacation riding his Repsol Honda factory effects. Factory effect.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, she ripped. It's way different than the KLX though.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah! Yeah!
The suspension is dialed on that thing.
I spent 2 days with it on trail, adjusting everything. It's not bad.
Suspension's down for your weight.
You're fixing to go hard.
It's not my way.
As you can see, Etard's ripping. That is definitely a ripper of a mini bike.
You can feel it. It's heavy in the front end, but the suspension's perfect.
The full suspension is 100% dialed because
I
I
was going to change something on it.
couldn't feel like I was even jumping. That mini bike was sick, guys. He done a good job building it. I believe NacohDads Garage built that, and NacohDad went and swindled it out of him. Done some trading, you know, that's the way it goes. NacohDad's gonna put his own touch to it and make it even better. So, engine swap coming probably, taller suspension, beefier tires. Wait and see. I'm out here enjoying this weather. It's amazing. Very few clouds in the sky. Perfect sun. Good day to ride. This is different. We got boats on the water today. I guess quarantine is up. Let's take a walk down by the water. Everybody's out there having fun on their boats, but if you'll notice, if you can see them, social distancing still applies, except for these guys right there. Social distancing, guys. What are they doing? They need to be 13 foot apart. This guy here's coming right at us. Like a scene out of Miami Vice. I just took a minute on my way to pick up a few things at the store to swing by and see just how many people were out enjoying this nice weather. I know everyone's been wanting to get out, and they've refrained. Of all these days that we've been quarantined and all the nice days we've had, I've only noticed one boat on the water until they officially released us. So I think we've done well. We as a community, Chattanooga, done well with refraining from doing social gathering type activities. But as soon as they opened the gates, they were like wild stallions running free to go mingle. Mangle. Too much mingle could cause the tingle. Mangle! Social distancing, guys.